Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1961 Chevrolet Impala SS killer bubble top car, guys. Love this body style, man. This is about a 10-year-old body up restoration. This is, well, it was a factory two-tone Roman red and ivory car. I believe it would have had a white painted top, but they changed it to where they just changed the entire car to the Roman red. But factory interior color, which is that tritone, red and white interior. So I don't want to say it's a factory color combination, but very close to. Like I said, it would have been a two-tone with a ivory painted top. And they changed it to all red. But killer car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid Kentucky body. Fun body style right here, man. These cars drive people nuts. Like I say, hits the road good. It has an era correct 348 tri-power engine in it too, with a 4-speed. Bumpers are new. Almost all this chrome and stainless is actually original, so you can kind of pick at it a little bit. There's a couple little stone pecks. It's just a little wax, but you can see the trim is nice and it's original. They replaced both the front and rear bumpers, so it's got the 3-piece bumpers. Slick Roman red paint. What a cool color, man. Yes, it's freezing cold. We woke up to snow. We're rushing a little bit because we got more snow coming. It's got the Guardian mirrors on it, both sides. The window needs a little adjustment there. Pretty car, man, and fun car to drive. Shifts out good. It's got the dual antennas, which I am a big fan of. I love those. Now again, in 61, the VIN won't break down if it's a real SS, but this is what I like to say. See, these are it's original badging. It's not brand new stuff out of the box. And it also has the grab handle, which everybody knows is hard to find. It is an original 118 car, so it is a sport coupe. Little touch-up mark there. Little screw there. Make sure you guys check that. Nice and straight down the side. Car's got 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialties wheels with all new rubber. Yeah, we woke up this morning to snow, guys. So, and there's more coming this afternoon. So, guys missed some wax. It's just some wax on there, guys. But again, nice and straight down the sides. Good looking car, man. Again, the badging's original. Car sits good. Like I say, hits the road real good. He said they just went through the front suspension, brand new disc brakes, tie rod ends, brand new sway bar links and everything like that. As a matter of fact, he told us we got to get the front end of the line, so we'll make sure we get that. All right, so I'll make sure I get this. I got all the codes for the paint and the interior in it too, and I'll get this suffix code. Don't hold me this, but I believe this is a GB suffix code, which is a 1960 348, 280 horse, factory tri-power engine. So it's era correct. They didn't put VINs on those blocks, so you can't call it matching numbers. And actually, from my research, it's actually a 60 engine. Some people will tell you that leftover engines got installed in cars, stuff like that. But, you know, that's everybody's opinion. Power steering, brand new power front disc brakes. It's got the old style Delco generator on it. It does have power steering. 4-speed manual trans. Radiator with factory shroud. It's got all the chrome air cleaner covers and then the valve covers. Ooh, it's cold today. Good car. Drives good too. This is a great body style, man. People love these cars. I mean, I was pulling it in just from the truck across the street when it came in yesterday, and people were going crazy. A-pillar chrome's original. It looks good. Looks like the original door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, this is the factory color combo on the interior. It's got new carpeting. That's the correct carpet too, that tritone carpet. Of course, it's got the red and ivory interior. Original steering wheel there. Just a wicked cool car, man. You can pick at this a little bit, but like I say, I believe it's original. You can see it's got a few little cracks in it. I love the old style tach. I thought that was cool. I don't know if you can see it, but it's showing 24,000 miles on it. I'm sure that's 124, 224, who knows. But it's got some aftermarket gauges mounted underneath. Those are all Sun Pros. I don't know the mileage since the car was restored. But like I said, it was done 10 years ago. Stock AM radio. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust system, stock gear, no big monster gear or anything. Definitely something you can get on the expressway and turn the key and go cruise. Some water there, guys. Factory jack with a spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk, like it should be. Car is clean. Very, very popular body style right here. One of my favorites, man. These cars are cool. Clean underneath. Got some good pictures of the floors for you. Car's solid. Adjust my camera there, I think these cars are just so cool, man. Everything about them is just so unique. They got an awesome look, man. Seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. Stock shifter in there with a center console. Again, there's the SS grab handle that I'm talking about. Those are impossible to find. Factory tissue dispenser. It's got the padded dash. Factory dash and gauges in there. Aftermarket's underneath. Again, original A-pillar chrome, which looks good. That is a cool body style right there. No tag works. Fuel gauge air works. I think everything else is underneath there. Did the radio work? No, no on the radio. Works. Car holds good oil pressure. Wiper motor's on the way, guys. We had to order a new wiper motor for it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great place to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. There, you got the choke to kick down. Choke works. What a great car. Have a great day, guys.